Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. In this video, we are going to see how to make this flower. This is very easy. So to make this flower, we want yarn, crochet hook, and I'm using 4mm hook, needle and a cutter. To start, first we need to put a slip knot. Just here's the slip knot. Insert the hook in this hole and you can tighten this. After slip knot, we'll continue with the foundation chain. To make this rose, we want to make 66 foundation chains. So yarn over, pull through the loop 1, yarn over, pull through the loop 2. This is what we tell it as chain. So 1, 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull. You should not do it very tight, it should be a little bit loose. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So you have to do 66 chains. I'll meet you friends after completing this 66 chains. I have completed the 66 chains. So now we are going to start the first row. To start the first row, you have to skip the first 5 chains and do a double crochet in the 6th chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip a 5 chain, do a double crochet, yarn over. Have to do a double crochet in the 6th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th chain, you have to do it in the upper loop. A chain will have 2 loops. We'll do it in this upper loop. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the loop so that you'll get 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loop, yarn over, pull through the next. This is the double crochet. Then next you have to skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and do a double crochet in the 3rd chain. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull through the loop. You'll get 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loop, yarn over, pull through the second. Okay, so again next chain 2, 1, 2. Do again a double crochet in the same space. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next second. And again skip the next 2 chains, 1, 2. 3rd chain, do a double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and again double crochet on the same space. So skip 2 chain, 1, 2, do a double crochet in the 3rd chain, chain 2, and do a double crochet in the same chain. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this row 1. See? After finishing the row 1, it should look like this. Now we are going for row 2. For row 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn your work. Have to do 1 double crochet in the V space from the previous row. 1 here in this here, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then 2 double crochet in the same space, 1, 2. So now this we should not do, only in this V spaces you have to do. So what is the pattern? 2 double crochet, 1, 2 double crochet, chain 3 and 2 double crochet in the same space, 1, 2. So next 1, 2 double crochet, 1, chain 3, 2 double crochet, 1. This is the pattern you are going to follow for the second row. So I'll complete this row 2 and I'll meet you at this end. At the end of the second row, you will have like this. Now we are going to do the third row. For third row, chain 1, turn your work. Do 7 double crochet in this V shape which we got from the previous thing. 7 double crochet, yarn over, insert in the loop, pull through, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in the very next hole do a single crochet. In the next V shape, do a double crochet, yarn over, insert in the hole, pull through, first 2, yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then single crochet in the next hole. 7 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Single crochet in the next. This is the pattern which you are going to follow for this row. So pattern is you have to do 7 double crochet in this V shape and a single crochet in the next hole. So here yarn over, insert the hole, pull through, over, pull through, over, pull through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The single crochet in the next. So this is the pattern you are going to follow for this full row. When you complete your third row, it should look like this. So after completing, you have to put a single chain 1 and cut the yarn. For this chain 1 is to secure your stitch. To secure your stitch. So to make it as a flower, you have to take the opposite the end and to join with this petals. So, the flower. So to secure these petals, we are going to weave the end. Then snip off this extra yarn. See friends, after you can adjust it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell button to get more videos.